Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is John, and this is my channel, John the Schreiner. Welcome! If you are watching this right now, that means the channel has reached 1,000 subscribers. To all of my subscribers, I thank you. You guys coming back every video, leaving comments, and interacting with me means a lot. Thank you for joining me along this journey. And to those of you that aren't subscribed, thank you for checking out this video, and I invite you to come along with us. For the most part, I'll either be building something for the house, the yard, the shop, and on occasion there will be the odd renovation or commission project. I've also recently picked up a camper trailer in need of some repairs, so there will be a couple videos on that coming up in the future. The majority of my projects are mainly woodworking related, though I do, on occasion, branch out into metalworking, electronic, and automotive projects here and there. Not many of the latter three have made it onto the channel yet, but I have started to delve into that a little bit more off camera, so that might pop in here and there. But for now, I think I'm going to call this one a video. Thank you all for watching, and I thank you all for subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, I look forward to reading them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more up-to-date projects, you can always follow me on Instagram at John the Schreiner. Otherwise, I will see you here in the next video, and have a good one.